Hey guys, this is Mr. Ford. I'm doing the pre-algebra end of Unit 6 study guide in this video. If you look at question 1, it says choose the explanation that shows why triangle A, B, C is similar. Remember, similar just means same angles. It doesn't have to be the same size. Why it is similar to triangle A, D, E. Okay, so we can see that we just simply changed the size of it. We did not move it to the right. So we're going to mark that out. We did not rotate it. It's simply either bigger or smaller. So C, this is a dilation with center 0, 0 and a scale factor of 1/2 maps ABC to ADC or to ADE. So I know this one is 1, 2, 3, 4 tall. And ADE is 1, 2 tall. So I can say that is half as big. So all these are half. Okay, so the answer is C. On the next one, it says a dilation maps R, 4, 6, to its image, R prime, to 2, 3. What is the scale factor? We are going to say the scale factor is 1/2 because half of 4 is 2, and half of 6 is 3. Okay, on to the next one. It says dilate triangle ADI if A is -2, -2, D is 0, 4, M is 6, 2. By a scale factor of 1/2. So we have A is -2, -2. D is 0, 4. And M is 6, 2. Just like that. Okay, so if I'm looking at this, it says multiply by a scale factor of 1/2. So I take half of each one. So my new A is -1, -1. My new D is 0, 2. My new M is 3, 1. So here's my original triangle. -2, -2. 0, up 4. And over 6, up 1, 2. So this is my original triangle here. Okay, and then half of it. So -1, -1, 0 up 2, and over 3 up 1. So I connect my dots there. And that is how you multiply it by a scale factor of 1/2. Okay, the next. It says parallel lines, angles, and transversals. So it says for A through C, use the image shown to the right. What are the specific angle types of the following pairs? So the first one's 2 and 8. So I say, are they on the outsides or the insides? And we're going to say the insides. And I say, are they alternate sides or the same side? And you say alternate. So these are alternate interior. Okay, 4 and 7 are exterior angles on the same side. So we say same side exterior. 1 and 5 are in the same degrees in different spots on the same side of the line, so I call those corresponding. Okay, number 5 says choose whether these are congruent or not. So let me draw this real quick. So I have two parallel lines, hypothetically, that are cut by a transversal. So it says same side exterior. So same side exterior is this angle and this angle. This angle is acute. This angle is obtuse. So same side exterior, those are not congruent. Alternate exterior, so that's like this one and this one. They're both obtuse, so we say that one is congruent. Finally, vertical angles. Remember, vertical starts with the letter V, so it's the V's that point to each other. So like this one and this one, this one and this one, this one and this one, and this one and this one. So those are congruent. Okay, on to number 6, it says in the figure, what are the measures of angle 3 and angle 7? Remember, in any of these, there's only 2 degrees you have to figure out, the acute one and the obtuse one. So the acute one is 75 degrees. Okay, so I find the obtuse one by doing 180 minus 75, and that equals 105. So I can go and look at these. So angle 3, that's an obtuse angle, so I know it's 105 degrees. Angle 7, it's an obtuse angle, so it's 105 degrees. Super easy there. Which of the following are vertical angles? So I know 1 and 3 are vertical. So 1 and 3. 4 and 2 are verticals. 2 and 4. 5 and 7. 5 and 7. And then 6 and 8. Okay, on to the next. So it's determine if the angles are supplementary or complementary, or determine if the angles are supplementary or congruent. Then create an equation. So I know these are both the same angle because they're both obtuse. Okay, so I'm going to write 5x minus 11 equals 3x plus 5. So the next step, I have to solve for x. So I subtract 3x to both sides. I'm left with 2x minus 11 equals, these cancel out, equals 5. I then add 11 to both sides. So 2x equals 16. Then I divide both sides by 2. So x equals 8. Okay, so to figure out what the angles equal, I plug 8 back into the x. So 3 times 8 plus 5. 3 times 8 is 24. 24 plus 5 is 29. So if angle 1 is 29 degrees, angle 2 is also 29 degrees. Okay, on to the next. It says solve for the given variables. So let me show you how to do this. Okay, remember a triangle adds up to 180. So these two angles added together, so 50 plus, wasn't doing it, 50 plus 80 equals 130. 180 minus 130 equals 50. So I know the missing angle is 50 degrees. Okay, the next one. I add 39. I add 29. I got 68. 180 minus 68 is equal to 112. Okay, one more thing on this one over here. Guys, if you say that this one is obtuse, right? Sometimes in math, they'll do this. It is an obtuse angle, and we said it's 29 degrees. So if you wrote 180 minus 29 degrees and got your answer, we'll take that as well, because that one is a little confusing. Anyways, back to it. The next one, again, triangles add up to 180 degrees, so I add these three together. So I have 3 x's. 70 plus 20 is 90 equals 180. Subtract 90 from both sides. So 3x equals 90. Divide both sides by 3, just like that. So x equals 30. And I guess we have to find angle S. So I plug that back in. 30 plus 70 is 100. Okay, on to the last one here. So it says find angles 1 and angle 2. Remember, a triangle adds to 180 degrees. A straight line is also 180. So there's several ways to do this. To find this one, though, I'm going to do 180 minus 121.8, and that equals 58.2. Okay, then remember you have to add 17.3 plus 58.2 equals 75.5. So I do 180 minus 75.5, and angle 2 is going to be 104.5. Okay, so if I know that one's 104.5, I know a straight line is 180. So 180 minus 104.5. So this angle is also 75.5. So if I add 75.5 and 37.1, Get 112.6. 180 minus 112.6 is 67.4. So I know my answer is B. Okay, let any of us 8th grade math teachers know if you need any help.